Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman Chaudhary and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this type of chair in SolidWorks by using sheet metal commands. So all these are the parts which are separately I have made them, and then at the end I have assembled them in the SolidWorks assembly. So keep watching this video till end, and if you want to download all these files then I will leave the download link in the description of this video. अगर ये वीडियो आप उर्दू में देखना चाह रहे हो तो उसका लिंक इसी वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा. Okay, let's start. First of all, we have to make the back side of the chair. So for that, go to new part and then click on front plane and then select sketch. And now we have to draw the sketch. For that, use the line command and start drawing the sketch like this. Make this line vertical. Once again, select the center line and draw it from this midpoint up to this origin, and then connect with this midpoint. Press escape key and then select this line and make it horizontal. Similarly, select this line and make it vertical. Now select both these lines and make them equal and collinear. After that, select this line and delete it, and instead of line, draw here a 3-point arc like this. Then select this line and this line, make them equal, then both these entities and make them tangent. Select this point and this center point and make them horizontally aligned. Now define the distance from here up to this point. Press OK button. Basically I am going to add the distance from this line up to this end point. So for that, click on this dimension and then go to liters, scroll down and then select max. So you can do this by another trick, which is a shortcut key. Select this dimension, this line, and then press and hold shift key from your keyboard and then select this 3-point arc. Now add the distance, which is 28 inch to 8 in inch, and then add this distance, which is 18 inch. Now press escape key and rearrange the sketch like this. Then define the diameter or radius of this arc, which is 5.5 inch in, and define the distance from here up to this end of the arc, which is 8 inch like this. So now our sketch is fully defined, and now we can apply the base flange tab command from sheet metal. So go to sheet metal and then select base flange tab. Type here the sheet thickness, which is 1.6 millimeter, and then press OK button. Now go to features tab and from here select fillet command and then select this corner, also this corner. Fillet radius is 3 inches, 3 in 4 inch, and then press OK button. Once again we have to add one more fillet for both these corners, and this time the fillet radius would be 30 millimeters. Now select this edge, this corner and this corner, and press OK button. Now what we have to do, we have to go to sheet metal tab once again, and from here we have to select edge flange command here. So select edge flange, select this edge in this direction. Also select this edge. Type here the length of the edge, which is 30 millimeter, and then press OK button. Once again go to features tab, and from here select fillet command, and the fillet radius is 18 millimeter. Select this corner and this corner also, both these corners. Then press OK button. Now we have to add some design or artwork here. So for that I have downloaded a Dxf file from one of the website which provides free Dxf files. So I'm going to import that Dxf file into SolidWorks first, and then I will copy that sketch, and then I will paste that sketch here. So follow my steps. First of all, minimize this window like this. Here is the design that I want to add in that chair. So click and then drag that Dxf file into the SolidWorks like this. It will take some time. So among these options you have to select import to a new part as 2D sketch, then select next. Here are the units of imported data, which are in inches, in millimeters, and then again select next and then finish. Now select all this sketch, press Ctrl+C button for copy, and then go to the model like this, and then click here and then select sketch. Press Ctrl+8 key for normal to view orientation, and then paste that sketch by pressing Ctrl+V button from your keyboard like this. Now select all this sketch. From here select move entities, then drag this sketch like this on the origin. Now one more step, select all the sketch. From here in front of move entities, click on this arrow and then select scale entities. Type here scale ratio 0.8. Then click on this scale about box and then select this point in the mid of this circle like this, and then press OK button. So this was the first step, and the another step is that we have to add this art here. So for that, once again paste that Dxf sketch which we have copied from another window. So first of all, draw a center line and start it from this midpoint like this, and draw it like this. Press escape key. Now select this point and make it fixed. After that, select all these entities. Once again click on this arrow in front of move entities, and from here select scale entities. Scroll down, and this time we have to scale down up to 0.4 times. Click on this box for scale about, and then select this center point of this circle and press OK button. Now select all these entities, and from here select move entities. Click this point and then drag it like this. Now go to features tab, and from here select extruded cut command and then press OK button. So This is the back side of the chair. Save this part. So after saving this part, I'm going to make the arm rest. So once again start uh, from another new part, then select front plane and then sketch on it. Now draw a sketch by using line command like this. Draw a center line like this, another center line like this. Make this line horizontal and this line vertical. Then start adding the dimensions. This dimension is 7 inch, 7 in. This dimension is 17.5, 17.5 inch. This angle is 65 degree, 65 degree. So our sketch is fully defined. Now we have to add the fillet here. So sketch fillet and then fillet radius is 3.5 inch. Press yes button. Okay, and then go to sheet metal tab and from here select base flange tab, and sheet thickness is 1.6 millimeter. Press OK button. Then in sheet metal tab click on edge flange, select this edge, define the direction, this direction, and then type here the distance or flange thickness, which is 30 millimeter, and then press OK button. After that go to features tab and from here select fillet command, and fillet radius is 18 millimeters, 18 millimeter, and then select this corner, also this corner. Press OK button. Now I'm going to add the artwork here. So select this face and then sketch on it. Press Ctrl+8 key for normal to view orientation. Then paste that sketch which we have copied. Now select all these entities and then scale down them 0.3 times, 0.3 times, and select this scale about box and then select this center point. Press OK button. Select all these entities, select move entities, and drop them here like this. Again select all these entities, copy and then paste them. Select all these entities and then move them like this. After that go to features tab and from here select extruded cut command. Press OK button. So we have successfully created the armrest. Save this part. So now we have to make the seat for this chair. For that, once again make another new part and then sketch on front plane. Sketch a rectangle, simple rectangle, and add its dimensions. This dimension is 14.2 inches and this dimension is 18.2 inch. Then go to sheet metal tab and from here select base flange tab. Sheet thickness is 1.6 millimeter. Then press OK button. In sheet metal tab once again click on edge flange and bend all these edges. Edge thickness is, or flange thickness is 30 millimeter, and then press OK button. Now save this part. Now the last step is that we have to make the legs. So for that, once again make another part, sketch on front plane, and this time draw a sketch by using line command like this. Then select both these lines and make them equal. After that, add the dimension of only one line, which is 50 millimeter. Then go to sheet metal tab, and from here select base flange tab, and the sheet thickness is 1.6 millimeter, and in the reverse direction make sure it should be a extrusion of this sheet, it should be inside. So expand this direction 1 and type here the length of total length of the extrusion, which is 17 inch, 17 inch. Then press OK button. Save this part. So as I have completed all the parts, now I have to start making the assembly. First of all, open the folder where you have saved all these parts. Here is the folder where I have saved all those parts. So now what I have to do, I have to start making the assembly. So for that, click on new button here, and then double click on the assembly. Close this dialog and then open the folder. Select all these parts and drag them into the SolidWorks assembly. Now first of all, what I have to do, I have to make some relations of this sheet with the assembly. So for that, expand the feature manager or feature tree of this sheet. Then select front plane of the sheet and front plane of the assembly by pressing and holding Ctrl key, and then make their coincident relation. Then select top plane of the sheet and then top plane of the assembly, make their coincident relation. Again select right plane of the sheet and right plane of the assembly and make their coincident relation. So now you can rotate this view like this. Then drag the back side of the sheet like this. Then press and hold the right click button of your mouse on the back side, and then drag your mouse to rotate only the required part. After that, select this face, then this face and this face. Make their width made. Then rotate only this part like this. Select this face and this face. Make the coincident mate. Then select this face and this face. Make the coincident mate. One last mate for the armrest. Select this face and this face. Make the coincident mate. Then select this face of the back of the seat and this face of the armrest and make the coincident mate. After that, select this face of the seat and this line. Make the coincident mate. Then select this face of the leg and this face of the seat. Make coincident mate. Select this face and this face. Make coincident mate. Then select this face and this face. Also make the coincident mate. Now what we have to do, we have to mirror this armrest on this side. So for that, Go to assembly tab here, then click on this arrow in below the linear component pattern button, and from here select mirror components. Expand the feature manager tree of the assembly, and from here select right plane of the assembly as mirror plane, then select this armrest, then click on this next arrow here, scroll down, and these are the options for mirror, but we have to select the create opposite hand version option. So click on this button and press OK button, press yes button. Once again we have to make mirror for the leg. So for that, select mirror component, mirror plane. This time you have to select top plane. Then select this leg, click on next arrow here. Now you can press OK button. Once again mirror command, mirror plane, this time select right plane. Components to be mirrored, scroll down this feature manager tree here and select mirror component 2. Then click next arrow here and press OK button. So this is how we can make the chair in SolidWorks by using sheet metal commands. And one more thing, you can do the plasma cutting or laser cutting by making the Dxf files of the required parts. So for that, open the required part, and from sheet metal here select flatten command, then select normal to, and then you can save this part, save as, and from here select Dxf and then save it. So I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this.